BPSC aspirants, warm welcome. Here is a question answer discussion series. The motive behind this drive is to develop your writing skill, better writing skill, as over the big topic, broad topic, you are required to write clear, systematic answer within short time span as well as in less number of words. So this time the question of discussion is, with growing energy needs, should India keep on expanding the nuclear energy program? Discuss the facts and fears associated with nuclear energy. So this is the question here. With growing energy needs, should India keep on expanding its nuclear energy program? Discuss the facts and fears associated with nuclear energy. India's energy demand is rapidly increasing due to population growth, industrialization, and urbanization. To ensure sustainable development and energy security, the country needs a balanced energy mix. Nuclear energy has emerged as a reliable and low-carbon alternative to fossil fuels. However, its expansion also raises environmental, economic, and safety concerns that must be carefully addressed. Need to expand India's energy program. Growing energy demand. India's energy consumption is projected to double in the coming decades. Nuclear power can provide a steady and reliable baseload supply, unlike solar or wind energy, which are intermittent. Reduction in carbon emissions. Nuclear power plants emit negligible greenhouse gases, making them crucial for India's commitment to climate goals under the Paris Agreement. Energy self-reliance with limited fossil fuel reserves, expanding nuclear power can help India reduce dependence on imported oil, coal, and gas. Abundant thorium reserves. India possesses one of largest thorium reserves, which can be used to enhance reactors as a sustainable and long-term fuel source. Technological advancement and global partnerships. India's coordination with countries like Russia, France, United States of America, technologies and uranium supply. So, India's coordination with countries like Russia, France, United States of America, USA, and the civil nuclear agreements has boosted access to advanced technologies and uranium supply. Now, the fact associated with nuclear energy: reliable and efficient. Nuclear reactors have high energy density. A small amount of uranium produces a large amount of power. Low operating costs. Once established, nuclear plants have relatively low fuel and maintenance costs compared to thermal power plants. Safety improvements. Modern reactor designs incorporate passive safety systems to minimize risk of accident. Clean energy source. Nuclear energy contributes significantly to clean electricity generation without air pollution. Now, look at the fears and concerns regarding nuclear energy. Safety risks. Accidents such as Chernobyl in 1986 and Fukushima 2011 have raised fears about radiation leaks and public safety. Then radioactive waste disposal. Long-term storage and safe disposal of nuclear waste remains major environmental and technical challenges. High initial cost. Nuclear power plants require heavy investments, long construction periods, and strict regulatory compliance. Nuclear proliferation is expansion of nuclear technologies raises concerns about potential misuse for developing weapons. Public opposition and environmental impact. Local protest and environmental concerns often delay nuclear projects due to fear of displacement and radiation hazards of the leak. Now the conclusion. India should continue to expand its nuclear energy program, but with utmost emphasis on safety, transparency, and environmental responsibility. Alongside renewable energy sources like solar and wind, nuclear power can play a vital role in achieving energy security and low carbon growth. By investing in research, thorium-based technology, and robust safety mechanism, India can harness nuclear energy as a clean, reliable, and sustainable source for its future needs. That's all for this discussion. Thank you.